What's up guys? My name's Keto and I'm talking to you today from Team RKJ. My team consists of myself, Riaz Jamal, Jill Naduke, and Kelty Post. What we're going to talk about today is a couple of the things that we outlined for the team contract. These are mostly what we want to do, what our strengths are, and what we could work on together as a team so that we can really come together and form the best possible plan for changing an organization while at the same time probably trying to get the best grades we possibly can. So what does this look like? Well, it looks like a couple of things. First of all, we want to look at how best we were going to support each other while working in this, which means that we want to offer our best strengths to the group in order to make a cohesive whole and hopefully do as best we can on this project. A number of things that we looked at, we're talking about different hard skills like multitasking, being able to meet deadlines, and communication. These are all real important that show our commitment to the group, but more importantly, we want to add our list of soft skills to the mix as well. So this means, being able to show each other empathy, working in a respectful manner with the other group, and all kinds of things that work together with that in order to really make us one cohesive whole. These are important because these will allow us to work together without, us wanting to hate each other and all types of problems that could come along with that. And it really shows our commitment to the group if we all offer our best skills so that we can come together and deliver a great product. But as we give a lot in this group, we should also expect a lot in return. The same things that we plan to use as our strengths, so like empathy, respect, commitment, these kinds of attitudes that we give out to each other, we should also expect to gain in return. So one example of this is for the communication. We use a number of tools to communicate, which being Slack, Skype, and D2L. Well, to one way to show each other that, hey, we've committed to this group, one member suggested that, hey, why don't we just make sure all of us are checking it every day? These kinds of attitudes to a group merely make sure that all of us are committed and all of us are on the same page working together. And that these kinds of attitudes also promote a kind of group where we can really get an A+ and deliver a great product. Now, passing along to the next.
Hello, my name is Riaz Jamal, and I'm part of Team RKJ. I will be sharing with you what is our idea of optimal teamwork, how we behave and work together, and what standard of work performance we hope to achieve. Optimal teamwork involves full collaboration by all group members. This can be done by creating an environment that encourages a free flow of information, where all avenues and pathways to success can be explored. Jill adds, maintaining contact is key for success. Should members be away for a period of time, they should inform other group members so everyone is on the same page. While Keto adds, optimal teamwork is where each member is on the same page in terms of planning and creativity. In other words, we are all working towards the same end goal. Kelty adds that each member should actively participate while being fully engaged to complete the project. So how will we behave and work together? Because most of us work and are full-time students, there will be times when conflicts occur when it comes to scheduling and deadlines. And while this is okay, it's important that each group member lets everyone know in a timely fashion if a conflict occurs. We define timely fashion as 24 hours. If this is not able to happen, we would consider this non-negotiable. Kelty and Keto add that we must complete the video updates on time, while Jill includes that each member is always encouraging and respectful of one another throughout the term. So what standard of work performance do we wish to achieve? As a group, our main goal is to make a positive contribution to the community organization we are serving. We aim to keep a lasting and memorable impression on the client organization. In addition, creating positive change with our client. We hope to achieve a mark that reflects our efforts, and we've set the bar high. We hope to achieve in the A range.
Hi everyone, it's Jill Naduke from Team RKJ. The availability of our group is rather varied because part of our group works full-time and the other part works part-time. We all are taking anywhere between 2 and 4 courses this term. And it looks as though, based on our discussion about availability, we've come up with a few different days. Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday might be our weekly meeting day, which we connect on Skype and Slack, and D2L and Google Docs, and then perhaps the weekends will actually leave for some of the larger group work that will be required. One of the questions was how will we maximize the learning team opportunity, and we'll do this a few different ways by ensuring that everyone plays an active role in communicating with the organization, and that all of the members apply the different concepts that we're learning in class to the project. And thirdly, that each member will review, analyze, edit, and offer input throughout the project. And that's it.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelty and I am from Team RKJ. As a group, we have decided that team conflicts may arise, and in that case, we would give the person 3 warnings, and after the 3rd warning, we will talk to our teacher, Ron, and then that person may or may not be asked to leave the group depending on the circumstances. As a group, we have also decided that there are commitments and standards that must be met, such as checking D2L and email regularly at least once per day. We have also decided that each team member must be an active contributor and complete their section on time. If a team member does have any difficulties, as a team, we will help that person out and make sure we get the project completed in a timely manner. So that is it for our team contract. We are currently in the phase of looking for a client, and we look forward to completing this project.